Back in 2016, as all of you know, that in Bangalore, in the Dakshina Kannada district, a new medical college had got permission. That is Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences. And we are glad to tell you that the first batch of MBBS has passed out and also started internship, and they're doing very well right now as we speak. But now, at this juncture, we have leapfrogged into a different dimension. Presently, we have also got permission for postgraduate programs at Kanachur Hospital under the banner Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences. So, officially, we are launching these programs, or PG programs, or postgraduate programs, tomorrow. Honorable Vice Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Dr. M.K. Ramesh, he is formally going to come over to inaugurate these PG programs tomorrow, and all of our 30 students under the PG program are going to be available. So Kanachur Hospital has Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences has undergone a lot of inspections, a lot of audits under the State University, because we are affiliated to Rajiv Gandhi State University, which is a prestigious university, and also under the National Medical Commission. So under all these norms, we have been granted PG programs, and we are very glad to tell you that these programs are going to start from the 25th, that is tomorrow, formally inaugurated by the BC of Rajiv Gandhi University.
These are the following branches we are going to start post-graduation. That is general medicine, then general surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, orthopedics, anesthesia, pediatrics, respiratory medicine and radiology. Dr. Mayakonda K. Ramesh, MS FRCS, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore, has kindly consented to be the chief guest for the inaugural event, which will be held tomorrow at 2 p.m. at our Kanachur Auditorium, 3rd floor, in the hospital. The following are the guests: Dr. U.T. Iftikhar Ali, President of Indian Association of Physiotherapists and former syndicate member RQHS, has consented to be the guest of honor. Haji U.K. Mohan, Chairman, Mr. Abdul Rahman, Director, Dr. H.S. Virupaksha, Dean, then Dr. Harish Shetty, Medical Superintendent, Kanachur Hospital Research Center, Dr. Devadas Rai, Chairperson, PG Curriculum Committee, Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences, shall preside over the event. You are cordially requested to be present with us at this historical juncture, the commencement of postgraduate program at Kanachur Medical Institute. It is a hallmark of sheer drive, vision, hard work of the administration and faculty, thus engaging the medical education into a much needed paradigm shift.
From the year 2016, a lot of programs or medical programs under the higher education banner, under the Kanachur Islamic Education Trust have been started. We have an MBBS program, we have a bachelor program for physiotherapy, we have BSc program for nursing, and we also have about 5 allied health sciences programs, that is medical lab technology, optometry, OT and AT, renal dialysis technology and imaging technology. As we speak today, close to around 1600 students are in the campus and affiliated to all these programs, and we are having a very good strength and we are having very good results too. So like our respected medical student just mentioned, tomorrow the program is going to go live at 2 o'clock at Kanachur Hospital on the 3rd floor. This is like a historical juncture for the college also, because we are leapfrogging into postgraduate education, postgraduate research. Next will be into super specialty programs and super specialty research.